Okay, so what's up, y'all? Backwoods Boys here doing another video. And today I'm going to be pressure washing the Cub Cadet. So let's start.
Been forgotten, Joe. I've been married long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Said I've been forgotten, Joe. I've been married long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Okay, so it's got to be pressure washed. As you see, it is really dirty down in here because the paint never been cleaned. I figured out how to get the hood off finally. I was going to do this video way back during the summertime, but I couldn't figure out how to get the hood off. So now I got the pressure washer set up. I didn't show any of that because that would have been on me cussing and raring and having a fit, so I didn't show any of it. But yeah, so here's where the fun begins. Okay, so it is the next day. I was gonna film this part of the video yesterday, but I really didn't have time and my battery was almost dead, so I had to wait for it to charge up and had to clean some stuff up and had a little bit of a mess. I still gotta clean some stuff out of the floor here, but I'll show you what I did. It did kind of mess the sticker up on top of the engine, but it ain't that bad. I got pictures of it, so I know what it is. But you can see down there, it's all nice and clean, everything. As you remember yesterday, it was really dirty and nasty in there. Battery is now clean. There's a little bit of dirt or something back here, but it don't really matter. But everything's mostly nice and clean now. But the hood I didn't pressure wash the top because A, it was on the mower, and B, it wasn't that dirty out while I washed it off without using the pressure washer. But I did do the sides of it because I actually had the sides off yesterday, if you didn't notice. But I wasn't gonna film me taking the sides off, but like I said, that would have been mostly me having, you know, cussing rare and having, you know, a fit, and so it wasn't no needing it. But you see, you got all the dirt out of these right here, which is pretty nice. There's some stuff stuck to the tire over there I gotta get off. But yeah, I also washed the transmission in there too. It's a little hard to see because it's dark, but I did it. As you can see, gas tank, I kind of cleaned this off because it was dirty, so I can see the gas level a little bit better than I could the other day. But that's the hitching hole right there. The transmission, when you, this is disengaged, so you can push it. When you push this in, it engages the transmission. If you try to push the transmission engage, you're not going to get going nowhere. So yeah, also got a dust mask right there. So when I'm cutting up leaves, because you know leaves throw dust around everywhere, and you breathe all that dust in, it makes your sizes get all kinds of bad. So but yeah, they're pressure washer. So that there actually cleaned up the mower here pretty good, I'd say. But that's right here, another little project we're doing here is these are hoods, or the tops of it went on. This goes on a 93 model Murray, and it's, as you can see, it's very brittle and can get broken very easily. Now this hood here is part of the old Murray wide body that I used to have. It was a 14.5 horsepower and a 42-inch cut, and which you can sit over there in the corner where all the wood is. The transmission went out, and I took the engine off of it. And it's actually the engine I actually have a small right now. It came off this here Murray. So yeah, but so we're gonna cut probably some strips out of this here aluminum and this here hood, and put it in this here plastic hood that's all broken, not good. You can see where my uncle put some aluminum on these plastic clips here where they're breaking. Murray figured out real quick that making this out of plastic was a bad idea, so they eventually started making it out of metal, because every time you take this off, this here get broke, and this is a lot sturdier here. So, and I got the vacuum over there set up to ready to get some of this water up, which this ain't as bad as what's underneath the mower. So what I'll do is I'll push the mower back, and I'll show you what is up underneath it. And also the Mojack there, I'm going to show that off today. I've been meaning to for a while now, just ain't thought about it, but I'll show you how that there works with this here mower, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so I got the mower on the Mojack, so you have the pedal here to get it to go up. So you gotta pump it a couple of times. Using one of the mother jacks is a little hard to do. You know, I think there's water dripping out or something. And I hear it. Yeah, there's water coming off the deck there. So it's still in the cracks. It's mostly dried overnight. There's still water in some places. Oh jeez. Okay, about there. And when you get up here, you want to make sure these things here are locked. There's a chute popping over there. hung on the pole. But I'll make sure there's a lot, because you don't want to climb up under this thing, have the mower fall on top of you, because if it falls on top of you, you can get seriously hurt or get killed. And it depends on how much the mower weighs. Like the John Deere weighs 700 pounds, so if it falls on top of you, it's going to kill you. So always make sure you got that locked. And then mash this down. It keeps it locked in place, so you won't get injured or killed by the mower. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like up underneath. Okay, so now I'm up under the mower. As you see, here's one blade, which has got a chunk taken out of it right here. Get over this so you can see it. There we go. So there's kind of a chunk taken out right there. So, other side, still kind of bad shape. Get over here to the other side. Oh, ooh, this one's got a bad chunk right here. Flip the camera over. If you can see it right there, but that one's got a bad chunk taken out of it. Oh yeah, these are gonna have to be replaced because these got some bad chunks taken out of them. Yeah, but these blades would be as dull as they are, they still cut pretty good though. I like the Murray. I think I got an idea for another video. I'll get the air wrench out here, show you how to change out blades. It's actually a pretty easy process. Because all these chunks of stuff taken out of these, they're probably gonna have to be changed. So I don't know if I can sharpen them or not. Especially that one there over yonder, it's got a bad chunk taken out of it. But this here blade still is a little bit better than that there blade, so. Okay. Okay, so to let the mower back down, all you do is you go up some to relieve the pressure on the locks. You can disengage the locks, like so. Then you just let it down. Pretty simple process. Thank you for watching this video. If someone like it, just let me know. And shout out to the Piney Boys, Outlaw, and all them. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the Backus Boys. I'll see you in the next video.
Was invited down to hell, drank from his glass and felt just fine. I asked him, where's that girl of mine? The devil just smiled and left me behind. I smiled back and finished my beer and said, adios, I ain't shit.